In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring controller not working on PC. First, go here and type in settings. Now inside settings, search for Bluetooth. Here you'll be able to see your connected devices. So if you go back here, you can see the devices that you have connected. You can either make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and you want to make sure that the device is connected. This is the first step. The next thing you want to do is open Steam. So here, after you open Steam, go to library, and I will show it using this game. Follow the same steps for Elden Ring. So you would right click on Elden Ring and then go here and then go to the properties. Here you're gonna see controller. So here, make sure that this is set to use default settings, and make sure that here it says enabled. Then you want to leave this and go here and click on settings, and here you'll see an option that says controller. So here you're gonna see plenty of options. So first you want to make sure that this is enabled. So guide button enabled, and if you're using Xbox controller, enable this one. And if you're using a PlayStation controller, make sure this is set to enabled or enabled in games without support or enabled. And then here, if you're using Switch controller, just enable this one. If you're using a generic controller, enable this one. And then you want to make sure that you have all the options just like I have it here. And this is the option that will shut down your controller if you don't use it. So if you don't want it to shut down your controller, click never. And then after that, you can try and see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, then try to restart the game. Try to just go to task manager, then shut down the game completely. If you see it, click end task and try to restart the game completely, and hopefully this should fix the issue.